Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn your static book that you just created into moving images. So if you want to add some animations and if you want to add some movement for the images inside of your book, well, watch this tutorial until the end. So if you're creating a book or illustration and you want to add some animation and moving images, well, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it. All right, so but before we go to my computer, please, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So without any further ado, let's go to my computer. Alright, so now we are here guys in VideoExpress, and I'm gonna show you guys how I made this a video, the storybook that I created here in our, hold on, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so here's the storybook that I created inside of AI Storybook Studio. So this is just a story, it's just an image. So I think about do another version of this into a kind of movie. Where can I make these images move? Like, okay, so I'm gonna play this one, guys.
Alphabet Storybook. A is for alligator. A is for always share. B is for bunny balance. Ben the bunny slips on a banana peel, but gets up smiling. B is for be careful. C is for curious cat. Coco the cat explores a colorful garden full of butterflies. C is for curiosity.
Alright, you see guys, so in our flip book, you can also watch the video, but when you watch the video, it doesn't show the images are moving, alright? But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can make these images to move, okay? So to do that, let's start to a new workplace, okay? Alright, so now here is our workstation. Okay, so first we're going to our media library. Okay, click the media library, and I created a folder to all my books that I created inside of Artistly. Okay, I'm gonna click this one, and as you see guys, all the books that I created is I already uploaded into here. Okay, so how will you do that? What you're gonna do is you're going back to your Artistly, and you're going to go to your personal designs, and you need to upload all of these images into the folder. Okay, so you're gonna put all this one into folder. So since I already have the letter C, so let's say I want to start with the I want to continue my alphabet to upload to letter D. So I'm going to upload these D's for dancing duck, and Daisy the duck dances happily by the pond, and D is for don't be shy. Okay, you can upload this into a bulk download. You can download this one and just check which one do you need to download. Okay, I think you can only download 25 pages of this, but for the sake of this tutorial guys, you can do along until letter C. The process is the same. Okay, the first thing that you have to do is just to download all these images so that we can get those images to create moving images. So I'm gonna select this one for letter D, and this one. Okay, so once I've selected this one, I'm going to download selected files, click the save files, and then let's wait 4 seconds while it's still downloading. Okay, so once you download all the letters of the alphabet of the book that you created, we're going back here to Studio Express. All right, and from here we're going back to media library. Okay, get to the folder. I created this folder. You can create a folder for all of your books. So I take this one, and I'm going to upload the D images that I just downloaded. Okay, click this one. Alright, there you go. So here is the letter D. Just click this one, and here are the images that I just downloaded. Okay, so I'm going to click this one first, and then I'm going to open it. Okay, and then upload the files. Let's upload the file into the folder. Now as you see, it's already there, and then we can go back again, and let's upload the other two, this one also. Okay, upload it. Okay, there you go. And then let's go back and add the last one. Upload the files. Okay, and there you go. So we already have the 3 images for letter D, which is this, and this. Okay, since I already had the A, B, C, so I'm gonna start with the letter D. Okay, so just to show you guys how you can do this from letter A to letter C is same process. Okay, nothing changed. So what I'm gonna do with this, guys, is I'm going to make this image. You see, this is just like image, right? So I'm gonna make this to move. So to do that, we're going to create with AI, and then you're gonna click this image to video. Okay, click this one, and we're going to select the image that we want to move. So select this one, and I'm going to get the image inside of this folder because I already saved here and downloaded here, right, as you see. So I'm gonna click this one, and now here are the letters. So I'm gonna start with this D is for dancing duck. I'm gonna create this one and choose. Click the video length and create a video, and let's wait for seconds, guys. Then we're gonna close this one, and we're gonna wait until it's processed. So while waiting for this, let's go to the other image, guys. Let's go to your folder. I did these for dancing. Now I'm gonna do the story. Okay, choose the story. There you go, your video length booster, just boost it, and then let's create a video. Okay, so let's go back to the other one, image to video. Select your image, go to the folder, and I'm going to do this moral. Okay, video length booster, and create a video. What we're gonna do next is we're going to the media library, and we're going to my AI videos because those are already converted into video. So we're gonna look at here. So as you see, guys, it's converting into video. So let's just wait for seconds. Alright, so now as you see, guys, it's already finished. So what we're gonna do is we're going to drag this one here. Okay, drag it there, and the story, drag it here, and then oops, okay, just drag it here, and then the morals. Okay, so once you drag it here, just click this one arrow, so it will automatically go here. Alright, so now let's see how it looks like. I'm just make this a little bit shorter, guys, because I'm gonna put some more the voiceover. Alright, so let's see how it moves. Just play with this. There you go. So now do you see, guys, the duck is moving? Alright, there you go. There you see the duck dances happily by the pond. And moral is D is for don't be shy. Alright, so now you see the difference, guys. When you just created a book on this, it's just like, it's not moving. So this is how you can create your images to move. So now we're gonna put the voiceover of this the narration of the book. Okay, so after you download all the letters, each letter, and then download the or create an audio for each letter. If you don't have a clone voice, or you're using 11 Labs, that's fine. So it doesn't matter what voiceover that you're gonna use on this. Since I have this clone voice, I'm gonna use this one, and I'm going to create an audio. So from here, I'm gonna put the script, the introduction for each letter, which is D is for dancing duck. Okay, click this one and type here D is for dancing duck. So you're going to choose your voice over here. So you play around with these, guys, but I already have my voice over here. So I'm gonna choose him, and then click this box, and then create a new audio. Okay, so generate the audio, and let's wait for seconds while it's still processing. Okay, so once this finished, we're going to listen to it.
D is for dancing duck.
Alright, so if that's good for you, and then all you're gonna do is just to download it. Okay, D is for dancing duck. Now it's on the MP3. We're gonna save this one. Okay, next we're gonna create another audio. So let's go back because I don't memorize it. So Daisy the duck dances happily by the pond. Okay, so Daisy the duck dances happily by the pond. Daisy the duck dances happily by the pond. Okay, let me check. You see the duck dances happily by the pond. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is I'm going to choose my voiceover, check this one, and create a new audio. Generate the audio, and let's wait for seconds. And there you go. Let's listen.
Daisy the duck
All right.
dances happily by the pond.
All right, and then I'm gonna save it. Okay, so once we download all the audio, we're going back to VideoExpress and we're going to upload all those audios here. So to do that, go to Media Library over here, click this one, and click the audio folder. Okay, click your audio folder, and here we're going to upload all the audios that we just created. So click the upload, add the files, go to your documents, and find the one that we just created. So letter D, what is that? D is for dancing duck, right? So I'm gonna open this one, upload the files. Okay, there you go. So let's upload the other one. Okay, Daisy the duck dances on the pad. Let's do this, upload the files. All right, and last is the moral. Okay, let's get the moral. There you go, and open it, upload it. All right, so we have these 3 audio files that just created. So I'm gonna drag this one over here. Okay, let's drag it here, and then the story, let's drag it here also. Let's put the story here, and the moral. Okay, this one, and let's see. Okay, so here guys, since your video is too long, that's why I make it a boost it too long, because sometimes the narration is long, so you have enough. But you can always resize this one guys, like this, make a little bit smaller like that. And then this one too, you just click this one so it will, you know, automatically move. So let's do like this. I'm gonna move this a little bit here, and for the morals, just gonna move this one, and there you go. All right, so once you finish all the letters that you upload the images and do to image to video, and then it's time to create your audio. Okay, so let's listen for this letter D.
D is for dancing duck. Daisy the duck dances happily by the pond. D is for do not be shy.
All right, D is for do not be shy, but it says don't be shy, but it's okay. I think do not and don't is the same. All right, so now you know guys how you can create these images into moving animation inside of your book story. After you created your story, then you can do another version, and then same process for E, F, G until you go into the letter C. All right, so to review guys, let's do the review. First, you're going to create with AI. You have to image to video, but you have to download all the images that you got into your Artistly. Download it, go to image to video, and upload it to create these moving characters that just you see here. So same process guys, from other letters until you finish all the letters until the end, and now you have your video that you can show to your kids, or show to your class if you are teaching. So that's it. All right, so thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments and I will reply to you as soon as possible. And for those who are new to my channel, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much. All right, till then, see you next time. Bye for now.